Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by mapping the path that carries your traffic. Know the device IPs and which ports matter. Run quick pings and trace routes to establish baseline latency and loss, and inspect cables and SFPs for visible damage. Once done, confirm link speed, duplex and MTU match end-to-end because mismatches cause drops. Make sure to enable basic logging on routers and switches so you capture early errors. Do this now, before diving into deeper analysis. You now dig into captures and counters. Capture packets at ingress and egress and compare sequence numbers to pinpoint where loss occurs. Correlate interface error counters, buffer statistics, and CPU spikes to isolate hardware versus software causes. Then, recreate load tests to reproduce loss while you adjust co-s, buffer sizes, and rate limits gradually. This lets you see improvements without introducing new problems. Make sure to document each change and its effect so you can roll back if needed. You finish by hardening the environment, update firmware and drivers, swap suspect hardware, and tune buffer and queue sizes based on your tests. Configure redundancy, link aggregation or alternate paths, and enable fast reroute so packets survive a single failure. Once done, set threshold alerts and retain captures for postmortems and automate sanity checks. If loss persists, a key troubleshooting tip: isolate one variable at a time. Restore the previous state between tests to identify.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.